Okay, now we're back here. It's all complete. You've seen the past videos. We've done the disassembly. We've taken care of the stock. We've taken care of all the bluing. Now we're ready for reassembly of the final product, I guess you'd say. This one here you don't want to drive in all the way. You want to leave a lip on it, so when you slide it into your it's got a place to lock. Let's see there. So get it tightened just a little bit. There we go. Okay. Get a brass. Try it in all the way. Turn the trigger spring in. You just gotta line it all up. Just kind of like that. Okay. And when it's all said, that'll fit right in there. Okay, our lock assembly is complete. Next thing I want to do, put the butt pad back on. There we go. Let's get it close anyway. That right there is pretty close. So here, let's go ahead and slide this in. Here's kind of neat here. It's dovetailed so it'll fit. So it'll fit in there. And it's got kind of reverse threads. So once you put it together, it'll suck that down. We want to put in the bolt. Go ahead and oil this up, that way those rings slide back on there really nice. Remember, we want to spin this one in like so. Okay. Drive in the little set pin on the magazine tube. Got that set. Now we want to put on our slide retainer. Remember, it's kind of dovetailed, so fits in just like that, and it's slotted. You can't mistake it. Reinstall retainer screw. Okay, so that's our front end. all back together. It looks real nice. Okay, now we're ready to assemble it. Okay, so it functions, works. Looks really nice compared to what it was. It's come a long way. It's really nice now. A nice complete gun. .1906 Winchester, all complete and all back together. Turned out real nice. Okay, well, that concludes it. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember to leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.